Hey guys, you're welcome. Greetings from my side. Is it morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching Kelly? Greetings from my side. So right now I'm at the workshop. I just have to post this video. Yeah, I just have to post this video. So currently I'm repairing Honda, this Honda. Yeah, and it's having a little problem. Yeah, and what's the problem? It's the clutch. We have the clutch, we have the brake, and also the throttle. So the issue right here is the clutch is not like, man, it's not working. It's just dormant, and a lot of mechanics have checked it and they couldn't really fix it. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm Kelly. I talk a lot here. I talk about my car, my day experience. I post my shots on the workshop, and sometimes video of me repairing cars. So not only that, I do crypto, yeah, testnet, mining, airdrop. So if you are new to the channel, we are happy to have you. Make sure you subscribe, man. So guys, like I said, let's repair car together. Yeah, so this Honda, this is what I changed. I said earlier that it's having a little clutchy problem. Like, man, the clutch is not coming up, and for that very reason, you can see the pedal here, the gear, the gear lever, it refused to go into gear. So I'm gonna show you what I did and how the problem got solved. This is what I did. So guys, these kits that I showed you, I installed the kit inside this port. So currently I'm on the aim to complete the installment, like installing the port inside of the car. So let's see. So guys, after I passed that port that I showed you into this channel, this where it went to, like it will come out from this, and I will place this at the point here. There's a point that this would match. You can see, let me show you. You can see that this would align with this, and then I will pin it to make it work. So right now, let's tighten it. I'll tighten here, and there are two nuts. We have one here and we have one at the other side. So guys, thank you very much for the support, for the love. For those of you who are actively participating like those of you who are actively participating, don't worry, keep the grind. One day it will pay. Yeah, giving up is what we don't accept here. We don't accept giving up. So guys, thank you for the support. Big shout out to Tyler Udam, to Tammy, to Ike, to Liberty, to Murphy, Alex. Man, there are a lot of you guys. I'm sorry if I didn't mention your name, but man, you guys are many. So you guys are really supportive. I appreciate. So guys, I'll keep you updated till I finish this car and we text the car. So big shout out to you all. If you are new to this channel, wow, you're welcome. On the channel we talk a lot crypto. I share my life experience, some short of which I'm at the drum. Yeah, some short, then also some short which I am repairing cars. So man, much love from this side, Nigeria. So you guys should so guys, I'm done with the tightening. You can see I've tightened the nuts, also this, and we have one right here. I'm done with that. So the next is I'm gonna add the hydraulic, the fluid to the clutch, and then bleed the clutch. So I'm going to bleed the clutch right here. I'm going to use this to bleed the clutch, and I'll add the hydraulic here. Man, we still have a bit of the hydraulic, so you can see. But before I will tighten this, I will bleed first I'll bleed it first using this option, man, using this channel. Then after that you see the next. So guys, let's keep I'm about to test the car right now. The car is steaming, so I'm gonna start the car. I'm gonna test the car, like insert it on gear using the gear lever. I'll put it on 1 2 3 revise and see how it goes. So guys, I'll keep you updated as usual. Let's see how it goes.